How to replace a Clipsal TPDL1C3 LED recessed downlight. Replacing this downlight is a super quick and simple process for homes that use standard plug-in style fittings found in most Australian homes. To start, switch off the power at the wall or circuit breaker. Then place your fingers on the trim of the existing downlight, pull the light down slowly, and squeeze the spring clip so it slides free without snapping on your fingers. Once the downlight is free, slowly pull down the cable until you see the ceiling socket, and unplug the old downlight from the socket. Now grab your new Clipsal downlight, set your preferred colour temperature using the CCT switch, and remove the plastic tie from around the cable. Once prepared, plug the new downlight into the ceiling socket, tuck the cable and socket neatly into the ceiling cavity, and fold the spring clips upward to guide the downlight into place until it sits flush with the ceiling. And that's it! Switch the power back on and enjoy your brand new Clipsal tri-colour LED downlight. So why choose this downlight in the first place? This 7-watt LED model is energy efficient, dimmable, and the tri-colour switch means you can set the light to suit any room. Plus, it's certified for use in Australia, so you can trust it'll do the job properly. For this downlight and more electrical products, shop online now at Sparky Direct. Delivered fast, straight to your door.